how to find mini app notifications settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here, and once you're here just click these 3 points and now click share profile, and that's it. Now click these 3 points and then scroll down, and here we'll find that notification settings. You can enable it or disable it just by one click, and as you see many app notifications enabled. And now I hope that can help you. Just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.